Hello everyone, welcome to the show. I hope you are doing well. In our previous episode, we talked about mass and weight. Today we are going to discuss thrust and pressure. In our fifth episode of the series, we discussed forces. As a force is any interaction when unopposed will change the state of the object. From the same episode, we are also familiar with the concept of net force. When a net force is applied in a particular direction in a small fraction of time is termed as thrust. Thrust is a kind of an instantaneous push, pull or interaction. When a system pushes or accelerates mass in one direction, there is a thrust in the opposite direction. In physics, this concept is described in Newton's second and third laws. Thrust can be used for many kinds of vehicles and engines, such as rockets, motorboats, and jet engines. Thrust is measured in Newton in the metric system. The concept of thrust is very popular in the daily life of human beings. Some obvious examples are inserting a drawing pin in a notice board to fix the poster and hammering the nail to fix it in the wall. Whenever the force is applied on any surface, it gets distributed all over the surface. The force per unit area is termed as pressure. Physics defined it as pressure is the force applied perpendicular to the surface of an object per unit area over which the force is distributed. Various units are used to express pressure. Some of these are derived from the unit of force divided by a unit of area. For example, Newton per meter square. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. From our daily life observation, we know that all the pins, nails, sticks, or rods having narrow pointing end get inserted easily. Whereas, if any of the rod end is not narrow, it would be difficult to insert it in the wall. That narrow end always has a very small surface area with respect to the surface area of other object. If the surface area of the narrow end is increased, it would not be easy for the nail to penetrate the wall, because the applied net force on the nail will be distributed all over the surface of the pointing end, and net force will be decreased. In physics, this kind of divided force is termed as pressure. It is very interesting to know that pressure is inversely proportional to the surface area of the pointing end. Hence, as the surface area decreases, pressure increases, and as the surface area is increased, pressure decreases. That's why nails, pins, knives, etc. have sharp and pointing ends, and buildings, wheels, etc. have wide surface area in contact with ground. This makes them useful for the humans. So that's enough for now. See you in the next episode. Until then, keep exploring, enjoying the beauty of physics. For more information about this or any episode of the series, check out the blog. Link is in the description. We have additional contents, further readings, and transcripts of every show. Thank you for coming to the channel and watching the video. I hope you loved the show.